Imagine watching a video lecture, a UI walkthrough, or a news clip, and being asked to answer a question about a tiny bit of text that flashes for just one frame. Most AI models miss it. Why? Because they only look once. But humans don't. We pause. We zoom in. We reread. We ruminate. That's the idea behind Video-R4, a new AI agent that mimics human attention. Instead of one-pass perception, Video-R4 performs visual rumination. It selects key frames, zooms into small text regions, re-encodes them, and updates its reasoning, in a loop. This isn't just theory. The team at Rochester, Sony, and MIT built two new datasets, Video-R4-CoT-17k for supervised practice, and Video-R4-RL-30k for reinforcement learning. They trained a 7B LMM using a multi-stage framework, first teaching atomic operations like cropping and clipping, then combining them, and finally refining with reward shaping. The rewards? They're smart. They encourage diversity, don't keep zooming the same spot, representativeness, cover the whole video, and curiosity, explore without overusing tools. The result? SOTA on M4 VQA, a benchmark for text-rich video reasoning. But here's the kicker, it generalizes. It transfers to multi-page document QA, slide decks, and even general video tasks, all without retraining. Why? Because iterative, pixel-grounded reasoning isn't just for videos. It's a universal strategy for understanding dense, complex information. Video-R4 proves that AI can learn to think like a human, not by memorizing, but by looking again. This is the future of multimodal reasoning, not faster but deeper. Video-R4, where the model doesn't just watch, it reads, checks, and rethinks.